my wrist. Red dot on my stick when I up, don't miss. Old dumb ass hoe tried to give me a kiss. Make a bitch in the face, tell her suck this dick. So many perks, bitch, I'm too damn high. I was so damn hot that I thought that I died. My bitch, she a rider like Bunny and Clyde. One day, swear to God, I'ma make her a bride. Clutching my metal, I'm clutching my stick. If you run up on me, you get hit with the bitch. Got an AR-15 and it might overheat, so a nigga just bought another cooling kit.
Huh? What? You alright? I scared you? My bad. I wasn't trying to do that. You have a nice day, dude. What the fuck? You didn't even react to it. Go.
Somebody coming in at song number 9. Y'all may remember this song. It's Taylor Swift. Shake it off.
No cap YouTube, at that point, I was just like, I was starting to think, man, them YouTube be staging and stuff. This shit be fake. So I was just like, oh well, just call it quits and leave. If you want to see me do a part 2 of this, I don't know. Let me know. And try to do it better. But I felt like this video was staged at this point. I don't even know what to say. Like that was a fail on my part. But I'm also uploading this to show that what it took to get to where I am now. Maybe what I did wrong. And yeah, I'm just gonna upload a fail video. I'm not gonna not post a video that I failed at. I mean, oh well. It's a learn. What's good, YouTube? Sorry I didn't do a proper intro. It's your boy King Troy. I ain't gonna cap. I don't like how this video went today. So you know what? I got a banger for y'all tomorrow. Anyway, like, comment, subscribe. I wish I could have did better, but you know, not everything perfect. But if you rock with me, still like the video anyways. Share this video with your friends. It was a fail, but oh well. And yeah, I'm dropping a video tomorrow. Hopefully do way better than this one did. I did not like this video. I almost don't want to upload it, but oh well. Peace out. I'm gonna see y'all next one, gang.